have it.
Don't have it, bro.
I didn't get it.
Nah, I even saw it. Nah, bro. Nah, that is it. Nah. Oh, nah. Nah, bro. Pwede ba sister, bro? No way. Ba't ang dilim? Where do I open it? Careful. You Shanta. Yeah. Thanks, Mom. Love you. I guess this is it.
Ah, ganyan pala yun. Ang pangat, may puro bra dun sa ano, yung i-post ko.
Yo! Hi, guys. Shut up. Guys, so I had a new Ushanka. Yo! It feels warm. Yeah. So I can't even. I found it online. So I even searched it online, like YouTube. So I'm gonna tie it back. Nah, I know I can do this. Like I can see. Yes, my ears like this. Yo, yo, look like from Russia. Nah, maybe Canada. Nah, I look sick. My head's 10x warm, bro. Yeah, I like my new Ushanka. All thanks to my mom. All thanks to my mother. Good. Yeah, that's good. Yes, my mom bought me a new Ushanka. Yes.
Happy na sa Ushanka.
Hiya.
Happy.